Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The 2026 Mercedes GLE. The 2026 Mercedes GLE is here, setting a new benchmark for luxury SUVs. It combines advanced technology, top-tier comfort, and powerful performance to meet the high expectations of modern drivers. Exterior, elegant and sporty design. Redesigned front, a bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and a strong front bumper give it a striking look. Streamlined shape, smooth lines and a sloping roof improve both style and efficiency. Wheel choices, available in 19 to 22-inch alloy wheels for a commanding presence. Premium colors, new options like obsidian black metallic and selenite gray magno add elegance. Performance, power and efficiency. The 2026 GLE offers powertrains for every driver. GLE 350, a 2.0L turbocharged engine with 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. GLE 450, a 3.0L inline-6 with EQ boost, delivering 362 horsepower. GLE 580, a 4.0L V8 with EQ boost, offering 503 horsepower for high-performance driving. Plug-in hybrid, combines gas and electric power with a 40-mile electric range. Interior, luxurious and high-tech. Premium materials, leather seats, wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting. Advanced displays, a 15-inch touchscreen and 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster for easy control. Ultimate comfort, heated, ventilated, and massaging seats make every ride enjoyable. Roomy design, ample legroom and an optional third row for extra passengers or cargo. Smart technology, MBUX system. Use voice commands with "Hey Mercedes" to control navigation, music, and more. AR navigation, augmented reality overlays directions on real-world views. Driver assistance, features like adaptive cruise control and automated parking ensure safety and ease. Off-road capabilities. The GLE combines luxury with adventure-ready features. 4MATIC all-wheel drive, provides great traction on all surfaces. Off-road package, includes hill descent control, off-road modes, and underbody protection. Eco-friendly features. Hybrid options, better fuel efficiency and lower emissions while maintaining performance. Recycled materials, eco-conscious interiors reflect Mercedes' sustainability efforts. Pricing and availability. Price starts at $60,000, with top trims up to $95,000. Release expected in late 2025. Conclusion. The 2026 Mercedes GLE is the ultimate combination of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge tech. Whether driving in the city, on long road trips, or exploring rough terrain, it delivers a first-class experience.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.